Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. A major shift just happened in the United States medical device market, and it hinges on a single word: cybersecurity. The FDA is no longer just recommending strong cybersecurity practices, it is now demanding them. Under the authority of Section 524B of the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, the agency now has the statutory power to refuse to accept any 510K submission for a connected device that fails to meet baseline cybersecurity requirements. This is a fundamental change in the barrier to market entry. So what does this mean in practice? It means every medtech company with a cyber device must now submit a comprehensive plan to monitor, identify, and address post-market cybersecurity vulnerabilities. This is not a one-time check, but a commitment to the entire lifecycle of the device. Furthermore, manufacturers must provide a software bill of materials, or SBOM, for all commercial, open-source, and off-the-shelf software components. This level of transparency is unprecedented and creates a significant new documentation burden. The goal is to ensure security is designed in from the very beginning, not bolted on as an afterthought. Let's consider a real-world example. A mid-sized company, we can call them CardioConnect, recently developed a new wireless ECG monitor. They prepared their 510K focusing entirely on clinical performance and safety data, as they always had. Their submission was placed on hold within weeks. The reason was not a lack of clinical evidence, but an inadequate post-market vulnerability plan and an incomplete SBOM. They had used several open-source code libraries without fully documenting them. CardioConnect is now facing a costly delay, scrambling to hire cybersecurity experts and overhaul their documentation to meet these new strict requirements. Their entire launch timeline is now in jeopardy. This move by the FDA has several critical implications for the industry. Firstly, the cost and time for developing connected devices will inevitably increase. Companies must now budget for specialized security expertise and more robust quality management systems. Secondly, it elevates the importance of lifecycle management. The submit and forget model is officially dead for software-enabled devices. Companies must now have active, real-time systems in place to manage threats. Finally, this sets a new global benchmark. We can expect other regulatory bodies around the world to adopt similar stringent requirements in the near future. Navigating this new digital gatekeeping is now a critical business function. For expert guidance on integrating cybersecurity into your regulatory strategy and ensuring global market access, please email or visit Pure Global.